Let's look at it now. Short circuit impedance no load all-in-one tester. First connection will correspond to the yellow-green-red test line. Connect it to the corresponding side of the transformer. Then connect the test wire on the power input side to the voltage regulator. Then the regulator is connected to the three-phase power supply. First, let's look at the short circuit impedance test. Open program. Then set the corresponding parameters according to our transformer. Select a wiring test type. Then there are the wiring patterns, materials, and currents of the transformer. After setting the parameters of the transformer, click Save. Then click Start Test. Let's pick our impedance value. Raise our current value above 30% of the rated value.
额定的30%以上。
Now look at the short circuit impedance of one of our transformers. The result is the short circuit impedance value of the transformer tested. Click End to save the result. Save successfully. Click on Record. Then find our record value. Click to print. This is the printed test result. We shut down the anti-impedance test. Open empty load. Then again, the parameters are set first. Adjust our parameters to the transformer. Then select the load. Click Save. Click Start Test. Now the output current value of the voltage regulator will also be adjusted. Set it above 30% of the rated value. Look at our load losses. We'll go through the regulator.
通过调压器将
After adjusting our current value above 30% of the rating,
以上之后
observe the loss value of one of our
一
loads.
个损耗值，负载的损耗值。
Click to end.
结束，
Save our test results.
测试结果。 还打印吗？
These are the results of our load tests.
负载测试的测试结果打印报告。
Now let's look at a connection with an empty load.
空载的一个接线。
Attach our free clamps to the low pressure side.
接到低压侧。
High pressure side open circuit. And don't move the wires here. And then our parameters are the same parameters. Change our test type to no load.
空载。
Click Save.
然后
Click
点击
Start.
开始
Adjust our rated voltage value to the rated voltage of the transformer through the voltage
调到我们
regulator.
的变压器的额定电压。
Then adjust the voltage value.
的电压值调好之后，
Look at the loss value of no load.
空载的损耗值。
Click to end.
结束。
Save.
保存
Save complete. No load test loss is considered to be the
一个损耗
test
就算是
completed.
测试完成。
And then hit record.
笔记录。
This is a printout of one of our no load
测
tests.
试的打印结果。